Hey everybody, how are y'all doing today? Good. I'm glad to hear that. Well, I'm doing wonderful myself. I want to welcome you all to the channel. And today, y'all see what's on the screen. Y'all see it. I ain't even got to tell you. Y'all know what them is. If you don't know what nothing else look like, you know what them look like. But if you don't, I'm going to go on and tell you, them some lemons, okay? Some lemons. That's how my brother used to say it. But, so I'm going to tell y'all what we're going to do today. We're going to do something so simple. You can get your grandkids, you can get your kids, you can get your toddlers in the kitchen to help. You can get your big kids in the kitchen to help. Today, we making just simply lemon juice. Lemon juice. I'm going to show y'all how quick and simple this can be. Long gone are my days of being in the kitchen trying to go buy a bottle of lemon juice and making my lemonade or something like that. No. I'm going to show y'all today what you can do to make your own lemon juice. Okay, let's get started. So I have a bowl of lemons. I've already washed them. You may already see the water on them. I did not peel the stickers off because I felt like that was just time consuming, because I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to just take some out because this is going to be my bowl. I'm going to show y'all what we're going to use. Okay, yeah, I'm going to show y'all today. And you know what? My kitchen is going to be smelling so good. Lemon is like one of my favorite scents. Okay, so all we're doing here is prepping the lemons to make it easier for how we're going to juice them. Okay, so you're just going to get a knife. You're just cutting them babies down the middle, the wide way, not the long way. We're not cutting them vertical like this. We're cutting them the width of the lemon. So I'm going to start this up and then I'm going to bring y'all back. Okay, hey y'all, welcome back. So as you see, I have quickly chopped my lemons in half. That's going to make it so much easier to do our juicing part. Today, we're not using that little handheld thing. I got one over there and I should have brought it over here, but y'all know what I'm talking about. The little handheld lemon squeeze thing. No. I had to show enough upgrade my tools, okay? I had to upgrade my stuff. So I got this Black & Decker lemon citrus juicer thing, and it was a few dollars, y'all. I think this thing was like $9. I ordered it, and it's so cool. It comes with 2 different sizes. So I juice, right? And so I do my oranges, my grapefruits, and my lemons. So it has a big one, and then this one is the little one, okay? So y'all hear that? I already gave y'all a little sample. So right here on this little orange knob, this is where you can control the pulp, okay? So I'm going to close that up a little bit. I want a little bit of pulp in my juice for whatever I decide to use it with. I just wanted to show y'all what you can do with it, okay? So we got our little thing on here, and it worked. Y'all know. Y'all see I got the power on. All right, let me stop cutting up. All right, so you're going to take a half of your lemon. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh my gosh. You're just going to take the cut side, right? And you're going to flip it over. And I'm just going to show y'all a few because I don't want y'all to have to hear this noise. You're just going to put it on. Watch this. And it's going to be getting all that juice out of it. Look at that. Do y'all see me? Y'all don't even see it though. It got all of that. All of that. Okay? It's gone. It's gone. So we're just going to throw that back in our little bowl. I'm going to do one more. Look at that. Ain't nothing in there. Ain't nothing being wasted in this kitchen, okay? I'm trying to tell y'all. I should have named this channel the No Waste Kitchen, okay? Because we're not wasting jack. So, oh, and I don't throw these away. So I'm going to show y'all something real quick in this video, what I do. One of the projects that I do with my lemons. Like, I'm a homestead girl. Like, hey, I'm trying to learn up in here. Let me do one more. Look at that. Ain't no waste. Ain't no waste, friends. So we're going to put that right there. And what I'm going to do, and y'all can see the seeds that it's catching. It's catching the pulp. And I'll show y'all how much juice we got when we get done. But yeah, I just wanted y'all to see what I'm doing with all these lemons. And when I come back, I'll tell y'all some of the things that I do, okay? I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. So as you see, I have gotten done juicing my lemons. And so I'm going to show y'all what we're going to do with it. Something really simple. I'm going to get this out the way first because that's just in my way. I don't need that no more. It's going to serve its purpose. I'm going to use it and throw it away. Well, not literally throw it away, but push it to the side. So here's our juice, y'all. Let me show y'all. Look at all of that goodness we got. All that goodness. I'm going to show y'all how much we got. It looks like it's about 2 cups, but I'm not sure, but we're going to find out. I keep mason jars, and I highly suggest y'all keep some too because they are so useful and they so cheap now. But yes, so this is our juice. This is our fresh squeezed lemon juice. And I got a little bit of pulp in there. And that's what we got. So, you want to know what to do with that? Just some of the things you can do. You can make your own lemonade. You can make your own lemon water. You can make your own lemon scrubs. These can be, I'm not going to give y'all all my uses because I'm going to do a video about that later on. But you can do, when you're done using them, you can freeze them. See that? See, Cherie don't be lying to y'all. I got a whole bunch of them. I got some limes in there, some grapefruit, orange peels, and I use it. I'm going to show y'all one of them right here. You looking at it. I always clean my cutting boards, okay? You ain't seen no bacteria grow until you not clean your cutting board. You see how clean mine is? It got lemon juice on it now, but I get in there, and I'm going to show y'all something. I get in there and take one of my empty lemon hulls, put a little salt on there, and I literally scrub this baby down. I'm talking about top, side, back, bottom. I clean it because I don't want to get sick. I don't want to get nobody else sick from chicken juice still left in the little crevices from where you've used your knife. So I keep mine wiped down. So that's one use. So let me show y'all. I'm just going to pour these in here because I don't waste lemon peels. So that's going to be that. You can smush them down. It ain't going to hurt nothing. But I'm going to show y'all one more thing that I do with my lemon hulls or lemon peels, whatever you want to call them. You know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to put that right there. Then I'm going to clean that out later. So I'm going to keep my little frozen bag right there. So not only is those a few things you can do. Look what we got. I know y'all like, Cherie, what in the heck is that? This is some Holy Grail. You may not know it now. This is my homemade cleaner. This has been fermenting since April 18th. Okay? So, you want to know what's in here? Oh, it's been on there over a month, y'all. Let me show y'all something. It's done did its job. So this is my lemon cleaner. In here, we got vinegar, baking soda, and lemon peels. So what I'm going to do, because today is the day, I'm just going to pour it up. I'm going to get me a spray bottle, and I'm going to strain it. Okay? I'm going to strain it because it has done its job. So the vinegar it's going to be my cleaner. Lemon is one of the greatest cleaners that we can use that's not harsh. It's not a harsh chemical, and it's natural. It's a natural cleaner. So it's a lot that you can do with your lemon peels, okay? So I'm going to do a video on how I make this. But yeah, this is what this is. This is my lemon cleaner, and I cannot wait to use it. So y'all, I'm not going to hold y'all up. That is the video for today, how to make lemon juice for whatever, okay? So for your cakes, your pies, your whatever you want to do with it. So I hope y'all have a good day. Thank y'all for joining me, whipping up some lemon juice. I hope y'all have a good day. Bye.